Hello, family. I'm here working at the house. I just got done doing shiplap. I'll show you on the ceilings in here. I started in the middle and I worked my way down this side, and then I worked my way down this side. It took forever. It's like laying a floor on the ceiling. So it's gonna be really cool. I love the way it turned out. And I don't know what the last video was I did. I got doors installed. I've got all the baseboard down. The windows are all trimmed out. I got a few little things to do on trim left, but it's starting to look more and more like a house. So we just went with just the 1x trim, and then it's like a 1x6 baseboard. It's the vanity that's going in here. It's not installed yet. It's really dusty. So that's this bathroom. It's gonna get gold. It's got like the shower is gonna get like this gold. Oh, it's right here. This gold tile edging, and then we're doing kind of the gold fixtures, and then a couple shelves in there. Yeah, so we're getting closer and closer. I think Natalie posted a picture on Facebook, or like an ad even, for selling the house. So it's coming along. I just got done doing baseboard in the basement, and I've got to build a nosing for the stairs. So yeah, it's kind of cold here, windy, but I'm plugging away at this, trying to get it done by the end of the year. That's the goal. So hope y'all are well.